Welcome back to JJ Central DIY channel. Today we see how to change a cabin air filter on a 2018 to 2026 VW Atlas. Clear out everything from the glove box, and you can see two tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side, that are holding the glove box. Press it inward and upward. So all you're doing is releasing that clip so that the glove box tab can be pushed towards you. So there you go, the tab is released and you can drop the glove box and you can see the retainer system on the right side where the rod is getting into. And right there is the housing for the cabin air filter. If you have a little pliers, you can grab and pull, or you stick your finger in the back and pull and it pops out. Pretty easy, you don't need any tools. Inside is the cabin air filter. As you can see, there's an arrow pointing downward, which means the airflow is coming from the top to bottom, and also means the debris is going to be sitting on the top. And this particular filter is not too dirty, so I'm going to put it back, but usually you take it out, vacuum inside if there's any debris or leaves that are in there, and then put the new filter in, pointing downward with the arrow direction of the airflow, and then we can put the housing cover back on. And in the middle there's a little tab that goes into the holes, and then click, and you're done. And now the retainer system, you can see there's a rod there, so align it carefully with that hole, and you push the glove box. And again, I'm using one hand, so it's a little hard, but if you have both hands available, it's far easier. You just push the tab up and squeeze these little knobs in or behind that, and that is all it takes to put everything back together. A couple of times check if the glove box is working properly, and that's it. You've done it. I have Amazon links for the air filters in the description, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video.